Click the bell icon to never miss any update.
Mehul Choksi, a fugitive diamond trader who was missing from his residence in Antigua and Barbuda, has now been arrested in the Caribbean nation of Dominica. Hello and welcome, you're watching In a Nutshell on English News with me, Apurva Shankar. Fugitive jeweler Mehul Choksi was reported missing from his residence in Antigua and Barbuda. He was found and arrested in Dominica. He has been a citizen of Antigua since 2018 when he fled India. What is this scam he has been accused of? What are the criminal proceedings against him? Will he be deported back to India? Here's everything you need to know. A court in Dominica has put a hold on the deportation of fugitive diamond jeweler Mehul Choksi, who is arrested in the Caribbean island nation while trying to escape to Cuba from Antigua. Antigua Prime Minister Gaston Brown had asked Dominica to send him back to India directly, but this has been contested by his lawyers, who claim that the wanted businessman cannot be sent to India as he is no longer a citizen of the country. Sources in the Indian government have reiterated that the government will use diplomatic channels to bring back the fugitive jeweler, who is wanted in connection with the Punjab National Bank loan fraud case. The diamond jeweler, along with his nephew Nirav Modi, is wanted in India for allegedly siphoning off 13,500 crore rupees of public money from the state-run Punjab National Bank using fake documents. Nirav Modi, who is currently in London, is contesting his extradition to India. What are the cases in which Mehul Choksi has been booked? Mehul Choksi is facing criminal proceedings by both CBI and Enforcement Directorate. The CBI had first named Choksi and his firms, including Geetanjali Gems, along with others in 2018, based on a complaint received by Punjab National Bank for alleged issuance of fraudulent letters of undertaking in their favor, causing losses to the bank. The ED also subsequently filed a complaint alleging that Choksi and others were involved in money laundering the proceeds of the crime in overseas accounts. Choksi has been booked under the Prevention of Money Laundering Act and other sections pertaining to cheating, criminal conspiracy of Indian Penal Code, and relevant sections of the Prevention of Corruption Act. A similar case was also filed against Choksi's nephew Nirav Modi, alleging that they both colluded with some staffers of PNB to perpetrate the multi-crore fraud. Mehul Choksi had left the country on January 7, 2018, days before the PNB scam came to light. He reportedly applied for citizenship in Antigua in November 2017. After the two central agencies began the probe in the case, Choksi was summoned multiple times for questioning. After he remained unavailable, a special court in March 2018 issued a non-bailable warrant against him. He refused to return to India, citing a threat to his life. While Choksi remains absconding, the trial has also not begun against others accused in the scam case, some of whom continue to remain in custody. The court is yet to frame charges against these accused. The process has also been delayed due to the pandemic. If you like this video, please like, share and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.